Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salmon cakes with fresh salmon. First, you'll need about 1 pound of fresh salmon fillet. Gently poach the salmon until it's just cooked, then let it cool slightly. Once cooled, carefully flake the salmon into small, consistent pieces, ensuring no bones remain. This fresh base is key to amazing flavor. Now, let's bring those flavors together. In a bowl, combine your flaked salmon with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a creamy base. Add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg to bind everything. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley, along with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon, will elevate the taste. With your mixture ready, it's time to form the cakes. Aim for 6 to 8 uniform patties, each about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make sure they are firm and compact so they don't fall apart during cooking. Chilling them for at least 30 minutes is a crucial step. It helps them set and maintain their shape beautifully. Finally, let's cook these beauties. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place your chilled salmon cakes in the pan. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve them hot with a fresh lemon wedge or your favorite dipping sauce for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.